Hey guys, good morning. It is still morning. It's 11:30. I can't believe we wasted 1 hour on a call with ICICI Bank. I'd taken LinkedIn Premium to try for like a couple of months, which wasn't working for me. I mean, I didn't see the use of it. They have some courses which I don't have the time for, and there's some features which are pretty basic. So, I mean, frankly, LinkedIn Premium is not that valuable until unless you have the time to LinkedIn Learning, which is good. So you can do a bunch of courses there, but otherwise, LinkedIn Premium is not very valuable. I mean, they charge a lot of money, but it doesn't have the equivalent value. So I tried it for a couple of months. It wasn't valuable, so I cancelled it. Right? I cancelled it 3 days back. Now, because I had started it 2 months back, there was a standing instruction charge which was supposed to be deducted, but I cancelled it 2 days back. I tried to cancel that standing instructions on ICICI Bank 2 days back, but there was no option either on their app or on their website. I couldn't find it. So what I did instead was I went on LinkedIn Premium settings and I cancelled my LinkedIn Premium. So ideally the charge shouldn't have happened, but it happened last night, which messed my mind for a few minutes. Also 15 minutes last night I tried to figure out what to do with it, but I couldn't, so I slept. So I called ICICI Bank phone banking this morning and to reverse the charge, and they took 1 hour, 56 minutes exactly to do that. There's a girl called Kirtana, and she had to keep telling me that I have to talk to my senior, I have to talk to my senior. 4 to 5 times she went back to talk to her senior, and the senior was dumb. Clearly, obviously he should have taken charge and he should have helped to resolve the matter in good time, but he didn't. So eventually, about 45 minutes she came and told me that it'll be done within 24 hours, the reversal. I don't have an email or a message confirmation, so I don't trust them because I already feel they're very inefficient. So I hope it's reversed. If it's not reversed, then I'll have to waste my time again talking to ICICI Bank, and I'll screw their life. I've already written to them on Twitter, so that fucks their NPS, net promoter score, right? If you criticize companies on internet, that fucks their NPS. So if you're not happy with companies or their service or their products, criticize them on internet, right? On Twitter, on whatever social media. Just criticize them, right? And just write about your experience. That fucks their NPS. So they care. So it makes them care if they want to exist. So I wrote about that on Twitter. So I don't know if it'll be done or not. We wasted so much time in the morning. My Masi was here. I've just dropped her to the metro station, so they've gone. They were here for a week. Yeah, so it's 11:30 now. That's where my time's gone since morning. Obviously, in the meantime, I've had time to have breakfast. I had one slice of bread and eggs. My weight this morning was 60.4, so the gym marathon I did yesterday kind of worked, plus the fact that I did not have dinner and I had soup only last night, chicken soup. So the gym marathon plus the diet discipline kind of worked and got my weight to the lowest it's been. I mean, this is the second time I've gotten down to 60.4 in weight in the last 7 months since I started this journey of getting fitter after almost dying. So yeah, so 60.4 in the morning, happy about that. Obviously the target is to hit 58 this month, right? But within this week, so today is Wednesday, right? Within this week, I want to go under 60. Ideally, I want to go under 60 by tomorrow day after at most. So I'll be very disciplined with my diet, even today, and within this week, and I'll be brutal with myself on the gym as well. And the good thing is there's this, obviously there's another hassle fight I'm fighting with Cult also, because they wasted my last Friday unbound 4-5 hours. I was chasing them for the unbound session, and that's another fight I'm fighting with them. I'm fighting a lot of fights with a lot of people, especially companies and people also. There are a lot of battles going on. So yeah, but the good thing that happened, mostly I'm happy with Cult, but this is one-off issue which I'm fighting with them. But the thing is that on Saturday they've brought back the 90 minutes dance session, which I used to love absolutely, and they'd stopped for like a year, and it's back. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's actually my favorite session of entire Cult. All their sessions, the 90-minute dance session is the top most favorite. So it's back. So I booked that last night. I woke up, my sleep cracked last night about 3 o'clock, and so I was looking up the sessions and my schedule on Cult, and I saw the 90-minute session is up, so I booked it last night. So that was a good thing that happened about my sleep cracking last night at 3. The funny thing is, people see you online, they call you. My sister's traveling back from the US. She's traveling, and she saw me online. She called me at 3. Stupid, but she called me at 3. She was on the airport getting on the flight. So she'll be back tonight. I have to go and pick her up again. I dropped her. The flights are always in the middle of the night, so I have to pick her up. I think that's about it. It's about 11:35 now, and I've already uploaded the vlog from yesterday, and I'm not uploading a short reel today. I have 5 more reels left and shorts from the stand-up video that I uploaded in April. Another one. 2 videos are getting edited. So that's that. I'll start recording videos again from July. I'll put myself on the video, man. I'll do, and I'll look really sexy. Okay, that's the plan. So jokes plus hotness is the plan going forward. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say right now. Whatever time you're watching this, I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, and I wish you happiness today, tomorrow, in your life. Okay. The vlog is called How to Be Happy. Remember that. Okay. That's what I'm trying to do. That's everything I do. Everything I say is intended for happiness, for my happiness, for your happiness. We're sharing a story here, man. We're sharing a story, bro. Cheers. All right. Don't give up. Keep your chin high. There's this song I was listening to in the morning, and I spent about an hour listening to some of my favorite songs in the morning, starting with Sai by Satinder Sartaaj. And there are like a couple of lines which there's this song called Khao Piya Ash Karo Mitro. It is by the singer called A.S. Kang, and probably that's the only song that he got famous for, like about 20 years back, long time back. And there's this line in that song, it goes, I forget one of the lines. The line that I want to talk about is that kisi aage sar nu chukayo na. Don't bend your head in front of anyone. Okay. So don't do that. All right. That's about it. All right. Catch you later. Bye. Hi guys. This is about 3:45 और मुझसे कुछ हो नहीं रहा. Like I haven't done anything because I've had a headache since morning because I slept late, and yeah, so I mean my sleep was off last night. I tried to catch up on a bit of sleep during the afternoon, but it wasn't good quality, so I'm kind of still struggling. But yeah, that's mummy. आप कुछ कहना चाहोगी ब्लॉग के लिए?
ब्लॉग करता रहेगा तो चल जाएगा.
ठीक है, तो ब्लॉग करता रहूँगा तो चल जाएगा. तो मैं ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ और देखते हैं कब तक चलेगा. लेकिन आई थिंक चल जाएगा. आई थिंक it'll take some time, but I think it will resonate with people, right? So that is the message. Keep doing what you want to do, hoping that it will work, right? Do we have any other hope for life? We don't really have any other. We don't have anything else to seek in life besides seeking meaning and happiness. So keep doing that. So I couldn't do much today in terms of productivity, but I'm heading to the gym. Obviously feel lousy. I don't feel like going to the gym, but I am going to the gym. Hey guys, just here for the show now. I reached about 8:30 and it's about 9:30. I've had my dinner. I actually ate some rice and rajma also, like because mummy had made some food, right, because she's leaving tonight, and my sister is coming back from the US. She was traveling, whatever. So basically, but I reached I really wanted to have some protein, because I literally killed myself in the gym today. Although it wasn't a gym marathon, but again I did legs and I did arms. So literally worked on my arms, biceps, triceps, and worked on my legs. Like I did really heavy lunges, like with about, I think I did lunges with 30 kgs, 15 kgs each on my shoulders, and it was really hard. Like I fell once, and but I finished the sets. Then I did squats with 25 kgs. So elevated squats. So it was really hard. The great thing is that today I've achieved my lowest weight. So I think the gym marathon that I did yesterday with the food combination that I did yesterday, with today and the workout today overall, in the morning I was 60.4, which is the lowest I had till 60.4. But when I weighed myself after coming back from the gym today, I was 60.1. Alright, I'm very close to going under 60. Very, very close. So I really think I will hit my target of 58 this month, right? So once I hit 58, anyways, I'm going to put myself on video again from July onwards. Even if I don't have a lot of jokes, I'll put myself on crowdwork videos. So a lot of shit is coming, right? Once I hit 58, I'll regularly start recording videos. My tattoos are going to settle by the end of this month. So, I mean, there's some stuff I still can't do. Till 12th, I can't dip myself in a pool, for example. So that's something I'm gonna do, like post 12th, I'm gonna look for swimming classes, because that's been a lifetime goal to learn swimming. I still don't know how to swim. I'm 45. And I think that's there with most people my age, where I grew up. There were hardly any swimming pools available. Kids these days who are upper middle class or whatever have access to swimming pools, and kids who are rich, even my times, had access to swimming pools, but I don't know how to swim. So that's the major goal that I have kept, and I'll start looking for some classes post the 12th when I can dip myself in a pool according to my tattoo guy, right? So that's the plan. I was 60.1. I just had glazed chicken because I thought it is important to have protein after such a heavy workout. But I'm walking. I'm trying to ensure, because the good thing is that otherwise I wouldn't have probably have had in case I wouldn't be sleeping. The plan is to sleep. I don't think I'll get to sleep before 3 or 4 in the morning tomorrow, because I'm gonna pick my sister from the airport, and then I have to go back home. So it's a long drive, and I'm gonna sleep pretty late. So I allowed myself some food because there will be 6 hours to digest, almost 5 to 6 hours to digest the food. And I'm gonna hit the show now. So overall, I think the day has been, I didn't do, like, I was mentally very tired, so I couldn't do a lot of writing stuff. But there is stuff I'm planning in terms of figuring out how to monetize everything I'm doing. Yeah, that's a goal, right? Because otherwise, financially, things need to be revved up. I don't know, revved up is a word, but financially, things have to be improved substantially in case I have to keep doing what I'm doing. So yeah, that's where I am. Cool. Catch you later. Hey guys, the day review for 10th of June. 10th of June is about to end. It's right about, wow, when I try to see the watch, generally it opens, but today it hasn't. It's about 11:40. The show just ended. I hosted the show. That was one highlight of the day. The other highlight of the day was I hit 60.1 kilos in weight, So I'm pretty close to going under 60 for the first time, I think, in my adult life. So I think by tomorrow, day after, I should be able to report that I've gone under 60. My weight target is 58, so I'm very close. I'm 60.1. I did legs today, and I also did arms. So that's what I did in the gym today. I've covered, like, besides back, I've covered most parts, most muscle groups in this week. So from a fitness perspective, this week is going top class. Even the steps, in 3 days I was supposed to do 45,000 steps. I have completed 63,000. So literally completed 18,000. I'm 18,000 extra on my step target right now. So besides, I rested a bit. I was mentally tired not to do much today. So I'll do a lot of shit tomorrow. I am here still because I have to go and pick my sister. So it's gonna be a long night. Otherwise, the day was good. I'm feeling pretty good. There's a lot of work to do. There's a lot of work to figure out how to make shit work, which I'll be working on. But overall, decent day, good day. Hope you're feeling happy. That's the whole point of all this. Alright, feel happy. Good night.